few days ago, as I watched a brand new movie online, 4 fresh ways to make money online simply by watching movies were made clear to me. It's incredibly easy to make $300 a day while watching movies online. The benefit is that you are paid to watch the movies you want and may choose the ones you do. You can also view the movies you like. The 4 websites I'll be presenting you in this video are listed below, so stay tuned. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. The first item on our list is the website FilmTagger.com. For a prompt, you can either type FilmTaggers.com into the new tab of our browser or search for it on Google and click the first result. You can understand how making money by watching movies can seem absurd, yet it's more feasible than you may think. The movie recommendation tool FilmTagger can be used by screenwriters, directors, producers, movie enthusiasts, and students to choose movies to see. If you keep watching this video, I'll show you a trick that might make you a significant amount of money, but that thousands of moviegoers are not even aware of. Now, you may find the movies you like to watch on this website. The genre, theme, and other details of these movies will be identified by tags. By clicking on these buttons, you can see a list of popular movies. This one will display well-liked movies topics and make it simple for you to look up movies. The best way to find your movies is via FilmTagger. Enter this movie's name into the search bar over there if you're a dedicated movie fan searching to view only the best ones, or a film student trying to prioritize which movies to see for your film studies. On the website's Match Results page, you may find the name of the film right here. This picture of the movie poster, which is on, emphasizes the genre matches for this film. Keep watching for my special recommendations to boost your income, since they are soon to become crucial. Now, if you click here to go to the movie description, and where it says show/hide keywords, you can see the keyword categories that this film belongs to. For instance, if someone is seeking for a movie with a specific genre that is about deception, movie, stock market financing, or high technology, spend time in it, or a movie that features certain settings, such as elevator or airplane, an apartment, and so on. These words aid in a clearer explanation of the film. Let me now explain why these tags are necessary and how we'll use them to make money while viewing movies. Go to Netflix, the second site on our list, so I can demonstrate why tags are necessary. Simply perform a jobs.netflix.com search. If you can find the page, you can sign up here to become a Netflix movie tagger and categorize films and TV series for the service, and pay them to tag and classify the thousands of videos that are available. People are hired by Netflix to serve as movie taggers, as a tagger of movies. It will be your responsibility to view Netflix-compatible films and television programs. Entering the search phrases that people are mostly likely to use to find a specific is the next stage. As a movie tagger, you can make up to $300 per day by watching movies and TV shows and then adding the necessary tags. This includes objective facts like the cast, as well as enticing subjective information to entice viewers to watch the movie. The only location to check for tag jobs as of right now is on the Netflix websites. Thus, being there pays off. Simply use the phrase tagger as a search term on this page if you want to work as a Netflix tagger. Examine the search results after that to find an opening. As a result, make sure to bookmark the Netflix careers page and check it at least once per week to see whether a tag or position has opened up. However, given that Netflix most likely receives hundreds of applications for this position, I suggest keeping a watch on the Netflix job board in order to be informed when the position opens up. Let's move on to Nielsen.com, which is the third money-making website you can utilize to get paid to watch movies. The company Nielsen, which carries out international research, provides the industry benchmark for the audience and consumer indicators. You may already be familiar with Nielsen thanks to its more than 90 years of television ratings. They have a reputation for being a trustworthy company in media evaluations, and they currently carry out consumer research in more than 100. To comprehend customer behavior better, you might join the research team. Use the computer and mobile Nielsen panel. By just signing up for and installing the Nielsen application on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, and watching your favorite TV series, movies, or other online content, you can have an impact on the direction of the online world. Nielsen provides you a straightforward way to make money. You just need to download the user onto your smartphone and you're done. The great thing about Nielsen computer and mobile panel is that you don't have to alter your watching habits, unlike some other services that frequently require you to watch adverts or other paid contents. There are new requirements, but everything can be put up easily. Whether it's YouTube, Netflix, or the news, you get to pick what to watch. Just create your own personal username and password. After providing a brief bio, install the app. You're eligible for monthly sweepstakes if you participate in the program. The company offers a $10,000 prize pool that will be split among 400 winners, with a $1,000 grand prize in addition to the 50 annual rewards. Remember that by signing up for the Nielsen computer and mobile panel, you're essentially paying the organizations to acquire some of your personal surfing data. So, Winta will be the final website we use. You can earn at least $2.48 every 3 minutes by watching films on Winta. You can see on their website that there are two primary ways to earn money using it. The first is watching videos online, such as TV episodes, films, and ads. The second tactic is to recommend friends. When your buddies sign up, you will receive $1 and your friend will receive $5, making it a win-win situation. You can transfer the money to your GC Cash, PayPal, or bank accounts as soon as you have the necessary minimum in your account. Wintop.com has collaborated with over 1,500 brands, such as those mentioned above, to offer you new films to watch on a daily basis. To use this website, simply click this button. Entering your first and last name, birth date, and gender is all that remains to be done. After that, be sure to check the capture box and click Create Account. Email address is required. Now, let me show you how we can raise the balance in your account. When we click the play button on this video, we will be taken to another website that is ad-filled. Just shut it now, and then press the play button once more. When the video is playing, keep an eye out for the countdown timer that indicates how much time is remaining, even though we only have to watch the first 34 seconds of it. To go to another ad website, we only click Finish. We simply close it once more and push the complete button once more when the 34 seconds have passed. Then a success message letting us know we've been paid. You'll see 61 cents on your dashboard. Refreshing the page is all that is necessary to see the money show up in your account. The scales have now been tipped. You can see that all that is required is to follow the same steps for videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. The only issue with this is that you're only required to view 5 movies every day. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.